Did you know that not every sleek, tech-heavy SUV is truly durable? Many vehicles look stunning in showrooms, but hide costly repairs, rapid depreciation, and plenty of risks. But according to Consumer Reports' toughest tests, 8 SUVs from 2025 stand out. Low maintenance, fuel-efficient, great resale value, and top-tier safety. Some even feel like luxury cars at half the cost. Watch this video to the end to save thousands of dollars and avoid costly mistakes. Comment 1 if you find this video helpful, or 2 if you don't. Thanks. Eight, Lexus NX Hybrid. In the luxury car world, many buyers face a familiar cycle. 18 months of smooth driving, followed by warning lights, faulty sensors, $1,000 repair bills, and plummeting resale value. The Lexus NX Hybrid tells a different story. It's an SUV that proves luxury and durability can go hand in hand. The core appeal of the NX Hybrid is its Lexus-Toyota hybrid heart. Lexus delivers a refined interior and smooth cabin experience, while Toyota provides a globally proven, ultra-reliable hybrid system. This powertrain produces 239 horsepower, achieves about 35 mpg, and, most importantly, millions of users confirm it runs smoothly past 200,000 miles without needing costly battery or component replacements. Step inside the NX, and you'll notice the difference from European rivals. There are no overly complex dashboards forcing you to relearn driving. Instead, Lexus offers an intuitive, luxurious cabin, soft leather seats, premium wood or metal trim, a Mark Levinson audio system, and a modern touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay. Everything feels upscale yet affordable to maintain over time. Consumer Reports ranks the NX Hybrid among the most reliable luxury SUVs for 2025. This isn't just test data, it reflects real-world experience, minimal electronic issues, rare sensor failures, and almost no horror stories on repair forums that are common with German luxury cars. Plus, the NX Hybrid's resale value is rock solid. A 5-year-old NX remains highly sought after in the used market due to its reliability. This saves owners tens of thousands compared to luxury models that depreciate quickly. Pause for 3 seconds and hit the subscribe button to support us. 7. Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. If the Lexus NX Hybrid blends luxury with reliability, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid is proof of practicality, durability, and efficiency. Pure Toyota spirit. It's an SUV for the masses, designed to excel in any situation without worrying about costs. The RAV4 Hybrid's biggest strength is its balance. You get outstanding fuel economy at 35 mpg combined, plus standard electric AWD, delivering confidence on wet, snowy, or rough terrain. This makes many rivals in its class wary, as few match this mix of efficiency and versatility. For reliability, the RAV4 Hybrid scores above average from Consumer Reports for both its engine and electronics. In other words, it's a car that rarely delivers bad surprises. Owners often report pushing their RAV4 past 180,000 miles with only routine maintenance. No hybrid battery issues, no complex transmission failures, no sensors dying mid-drive. The RAV4 Hybrid's interior isn't lavish, but is practical and sensible. The front seats are comfortable, the rear is spacious, and the trunk easily fits a family's gear. The dashboard is designed for ease, with straightforward controls suited even for those less tech-savvy. Another advantage is insurance costs and resale value. Thanks to high safety ratings, the RAV4 Hybrid often has lower insurance premiums than competitors. Its excellent resale value means it retains over 60% of its original price after 3 to 5 years, a rarity in the mainstream SUV segment. 6. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. In the world of 3-row SUVs, most buyers face a tough choice. Settle for a spacious vehicle that guzzles gas, or pick a fuel-efficient one that's cramped and less comfortable. The 2025 Toyota Highlander Hybrid is the perfect solution to this dilemma. It offers ample space for large families while keeping fuel costs remarkably low. Its most impressive feature is fuel economy, 40 mpg combined in real-world conditions, a figure rivaling small sedans yet delivered by a 7- or 8-seat SUV. With unpredictable gas prices, this alone can save your family thousands of dollars over the vehicle's life. The 2.5L four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor prioritizes durability and long-term stability over flashy power. This is Toyota's proven hybrid system, tested over millions of miles with few reports of serious issues. Real-world users say the Highlander hybrid can easily surpass 200,000 miles without major problems. The interior is another strong point. Its smart three-row layout includes a spacious second row and a third row usable for adults, a rarity in this segment. With the rear seats folded, cargo space is among the best, perfect for long family trips. For reliability, Consumer Reports rates the Highlander hybrid above average in every category: engine, hybrid system, electronics, and in-car tech. This consistency is rare in large SUVs, where many competitors face issues after a few years. The Toyota Safety Sense suite adds value: automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. These features not only protect your family, but can also lower insurance costs due to high safety ratings. 5. Honda CR-V Hybrid. If the Highlander hybrid is ideal for larger families, the 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid is the perfect companion for smaller families or individuals wanting a just-right SUV that's cost-efficient. Its biggest highlight is fuel economy: 35 mpg in real-world conditions with AWD. This is rare for a 5-seat SUV and even more impressive given the CR-V hybrid's strong, versatile performance in both city and highway driving. What reassures buyers is the reliability of Honda's hybrid system. This isn't experimental tech. It's a proven solution used over millions of miles globally with minimal serious issues. No costly battery failures, no early inverter or complex electronics breakdowns, a common worry with other hybrids. The CR-V hybrid embodies Honda's philosophy: simple, user-friendly, and driver-focused. The cabin is spacious, with comfortable rear seats and a trunk big enough for weekend getaways. The dashboard is clear and uncluttered, avoiding overly complex tech, making it suitable for all ages. Safety features are a big plus. The standard Honda Sensing suite includes emergency braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. These not only ensure safer drives, but can also reduce insurance costs due to high safety ratings from independent organizations. For financial value, the CR-V hybrid is among the best at holding its worth. After 5 years, it retains about 60 to 65% of its original value, making it a smart investment for both new buyers and those reselling. 4. Acura RDX. When you think of luxury SUVs, many imagine a premium experience paired with wallet-draining repair bills. But the Acura RDX tells a different story. Built by Honda, the RDX carries Japan's reliable DNA while being refined enough to rival European luxury models. At its core is a 2.0L turbo engine, powerful, responsive, and efficient. Paired with Acura's exclusive super-handling all-wheel drive, it grips the road confidently in any condition: rain, snow, or slick surfaces. Not only is it strong, but the RDX also delivers a safe, assured driving feel, something owners value for long-term use. What lands the RDX on Consumer Reports' most reliable SUVs of 2025 list is its consistency over time. No surprise warning lights, no pesky sensor failures, and its transmission and electronics outperform the segment average. This is a big advantage over German rivals, which often face issues after 3-5 years. Inside, the RDX offers a true luxury but user-friendly experience. The cabin features soft leather, excellent sound insulation, and logically placed buttons and screens, modern yet approachable. You won't need weeks to master a complex control system, as Acura prioritizes practicality and comfort. Financially, the RDX is a rare luxury SUV that holds its value. While BMW or Audi models can lose 40% of their worth in 3 years, the RDX depreciates less, thanks to its reputation for durability. This makes it a top choice for those seeking a luxury SUV to own long-term, not just lease short-term. 3. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a luxury-like experience. From its sleek design to sporty handling, the CX-5 feels above its price. But its biggest strength is low ownership costs and long-term durability. Its 2.5L Skyactiv engine, available in naturally aspirated or turbo versions, is highly reliable. Consumer Reports notes the CX-5 has few serious issues with its engine or transmission, even past 100,000 miles. This reassures owners who want a vehicle that lasts without repair hassles. The CX-5's driving experience is a pleasant surprise. Precise steering and stable handling give it a sporty, sedan-like feel, rare for a compact SUV where utility often trumps driving joy. Mazda masterfully balances both. The CX-5's interior is what surprises most. Leather upholstery, metal accents, and hand-stitched details create a premium feel rivaling an Audi Q5 or BMW X3. Yet, the big difference is maintenance cost. While German SUVs can burn through cash after a few years, the CX-5 averages just $500 a year for upkeep, remarkably affordable for a near-luxury SUV. For resale value, the CX-5 remains highly desirable in the used car market, thanks to its blend of style, durability, and low costs. Buyers trust it not just for its looks, but for its proven reliability over years. The U.S. Subaru Forester. While many brands chase flashy tech with giant screens, countless sensors, and features few actually need, Subaru sticks to a simple philosophy with the Forester. Focus on what matters most to drivers: reliability, steady performance, and reasonable ownership costs. The Forester has long been called a loyal road companion for those in harsh climates or tackling tough terrain. Its secret lies in the symmetrical all-wheel drive system, which works full-time, not just when wheels slip. This ensures excellent grip in rain, snow, or gravel, giving peace of mind even to those less skilled at driving. Consumer Reports ranks the Forester among the most reliable SUVs for 2025, especially for its engine and drivetrain. Real-world users report it can surpass 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance, avoiding common issues like premature CVT failures or tricky electronic glitches that plague rivals. The Forester also excels in visibility. Slim A-pillars, large windows, and a high seating position provide exceptional sightlines, helping drivers handle situations easily. This not only boosts safety, but also reduces fatigue on long drives. The interior isn't flashy but practical. Comfortable seats, ample cargo space, and intuitive buttons and screens. For safety, the Forester includes the standard EyeSight suite, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, and lane keep assist. Unlike many SUVs where these are costly add-ons, they come standard, adding an extra layer of protection for drivers and passengers. Financially, the Forester holds strong resale value in the used market and often has lower insurance costs due to its high safety ratings. For families wanting an SUV to buy once, use long-term without surprise expenses, the Subaru Forester is a trustworthy choice. 1. Honda Pilot. If you need a 3-row SUV that can serve your family for the next 10 years without worrying every time you start it, the 2025 Honda Pilot is hard to overlook. It's not showy or trendy, but it scores perfectly in what matters most: space, durability, convenience, and safety. The Pilot's heart is a 3.5L V6 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, a proven duo across generations. No finicky turbos or rubbery CVTs here, just smooth, reliable performance. With ample power, the Pilot can carry 7 to 8 passengers, luggage, and even tow a trailer while staying steady. What sets the Pilot apart is its truly usable space. The third row is roomy enough for adults, not just kids. The front and second rows prioritize long-term comfort with supportive backs and firm cushions. The interior isn't fancy, but mature. A clear, user-friendly dashboard avoids over-reliance on touchscreens. Consumer Reports ranks the Pilot among the top reliable SUVs for its stable drivetrain, electronics, and chassis. Real-world users say it can exceed 250,000 miles with basic maintenance. This makes it an incredibly cost-effective long-term investment for families. For safety, the Pilot earns high crash test scores and includes the standard Honda Sensing Suite, automatic braking, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control. These not only protect your family, but can also lower insurance costs due to excellent safety ratings. The Pilot's financial value is solid. Its durability reputation ensures strong resale value, reducing overall ownership costs compared to other large SUVs. The 8 SUVs on Consumer Reports' 2025 list share common strengths: durability, efficiency, and safety, from the practical Subaru Forester to the spacious Honda Pilot, and from the luxurious Lexus NX to the versatile Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. They let you drive hundreds of thousands of miles with confidence, maintain great resale value, and keep maintenance costs low. The takeaway: choosing the right SUV means choosing long-term peace of mind, saving thousands of dollars, and enjoying every journey fully.